Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn on easy mode in Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus phone. Where to look for this mode and how to enable it. So, first of all, we need to open our phone settings. Then we need to scroll to display options menu. Then we need to scroll again. And here we have our easy mode. When we open this function here, we have explanation what does this function do, and if we want to enable easy mode we need to simply tap this switch, and now as you can see the easy mode has been enabled. Of course we can change few options here as well, but if we simply want to turn it on, the option is there. And that's all. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye.